videos in response to your status. I would be happy to set up a meeting or engage over email. Guess we will see who has some courage at that point. Hashtag Internet Taliban. You are addressing Anonymous as if it is an organized group, but this simply is not the case. Anonymous is a culture. Unfortunately, media coverage is mostly given to the more sensational and extremist videos on YouTube, such as the one on CTV, which is linked below. We believe in the democratic process in Canada. We believe in this country, and we wish to see it remain open and free. Hashtag TellVicEverything was a message from Canadians, not Anonymous. We believe that Canadians have begun to speak out against the deliberate disrespect that the Conservative Party has shown them since taking office. No one person can speak for Anonymous as a whole. We are too diverse and too decentralized. We are Legion. We suggest you review videos published by ex-New York University professor Gabriella Coleman. Gabriella's coverage of our culture is widely accepted as credible. Her contact info and video links are below. Not all of us hide in the shadow. www.cananon.info is a public site for like-minded anonymous individuals. Jake Danes, a member who has actively attempted to contact you on Twitter, is one such example. We invite you to accept his invitation on behalf of Cananon to join in a live-streamed public debate on info policy, of which your party has delved so deeply into recently. You may also speak with us directly by going to our site's web chat, linked below. We are anonymous. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.